Well, this was the briefest of appearances by murder suspect Kochi Selamaj. He was in the dock for just over 5 minutes, wearing a prison-issue grey tracksuit. He spoke only to confirm his name, his address and his date of birth. He is charged with murdering Sabina Nessa on Friday, September the 17th. Now, the 28-year-old primary school teacher had just left her home at 8:30 that evening. She had been heading to a local pub to meet a friend for a drink. She never made it, and her body was discovered in nearby Cater Park just a day later by a member of the public who'd been out looking for some jewellery that they'd lost when they stumbled across Sabina's body, partially covered by leaves. Well, her murder sparked widespread outrage and culminated last Friday in a mass vigil in Cater Park near the spot where Sabina's body was found. More than 500 people attended that candlelit vigil. Hundreds more, including the Duchess of Cambridge, posted messages of support and solidarity with Sabina's family. Well, the man accused of Sabina's murder has now been remanded back into custody. He'll appear in court again, this time the Central Criminal Court, the Old Bailey, on Thursday. There's a more substantive hearing scheduled for October where he'll be asked to enter a plea. His solicitor said today that his client intends to enter a not guilty plea to murdering Sabina Nessa.
What's the mood been like in the courtroom? Because, of course, there's been a huge outpouring of upset around this pretty shocking crime.
Well, I mean, it was just functional like any courtroom in terms of a mood. We're very limited to what we can say with regard to a magistrate's court hearing like this, and as the media we have to play it very straight and just report the bare facts of his appearance. As I say, he appeared very briefly, just 5 minutes, to confirm his name and address and his date of birth, and that indication from his lawyer that he intends to plead not guilty. We're now very much in a restrictive judicial process where we can't really go into an awful lot of the issues on the sidelines about emotions or otherwise, really.